I am Shortybiscuit and welcome back to my channel. Well, earlier today I get an email from Lidl with camping equipment. I don't really need more camping equipment, but I saw the oven and I'm thinking it was a Dutch oven because of the handles, and I'm looking for a smaller size pot to cook with. And so as I click through the pictures, I realized it's not a Dutch oven, it's a camp oven. It's very, very, very similar, or basically same concept as the Omnia oven. However, it is a quarter the price, under $15. And there is a new Lidl near my house, and so I just grabbed one. And so I'm gonna get the box open and see what's in there. But based on what the website says, there is the bottom piece that goes on the fire, the pan, the cover, but it's supposed to also have the silicone liner and a rack. I mean, this kind of kit in the Omnia brand is more than $100. The liner alone is $30. So, yeah, I don't know if it's going to be any good, but I was definitely willing to try it. So let me get the pieces out the box and bake something. So it's out of the box. There's a manual. There's a lid. This is the base plate. And sure enough, there's a rack. And a silicone liner. So yeah, these are the pieces. So this is how all the pieces go together. The base plate goes on the fire. The pan goes on top of the base plate. The liner, if you're using it, is in there, or you can use the rack. And then the cover. And you bake. I already like one thing better about this is that it has handles, though those handles will be hot. So I would suggest you still use gloves, but at least it's easier to pick up. The other one doesn't have handles. There's no color options, but essentially it looks just the same as the Omnia oven. I had a purple Omnia oven, and during my car accident, it got crushed. What I liked about the purple one is that the liner, it was a non-stick liner, so I didn't really have to worry about getting it dirty necessarily. It was easy to clean. I do have an original red one, but it has the regular stainless steel, aluminum, I'm even not sure what material it is, pan that I would have to scrub clean, and I just didn't want to scrub it. And I also didn't want to pay $30 for a liner, for a silicone liner. So yeah, this is the best of both worlds. It comes with the liner, it comes with a rack, and I feel like somebody asked me for a cake, a dump cake maybe? I don't know. I'm gonna bake something. Here is a bit of a comparison. This is the Omnia oven. Basically, same thing. Lid, pan, and base. These are the two bases. This one feels a little bit more heavier than this one, and there's a bit of a lip inside the base there. I'm going to take out the liner and the rack out of this one. There's a taller center in this one, and this one has a wider, flatter base than this one. It kind of goes straight up and down the sides, where this kind of angles out. So they both just sit. And yeah, both have a lid. This one has like singular holes all around it, and this one has 3 holes, like vent holes. There is a thermometer that comes for this. I do actually have a thermometer that it goes in here so you can check the temperature. I wouldn't be able to use it with this, but you know, they're almost the same. This looks a little bit taller. Essentially, same idea. Yeah. This one is definitely, like the whole thing is definitely heavier than this one. It's pretty much lightweight. No, time for cake. I've been using this for the last week or so, and I actually do like it. So I may actually end up using this as opposed to the Omnia that I wasn't using, the cleaning issues. So the non-stick worked really well, even with this, to like steam broccoli. And I did make my cake. I made the dump cake, and I'll show you inside because it's still clean, even though you can see the pan is now, you know, dark from being cooked on. And so it was really easy to use, really easy to clean up with the cake. 3-ingredient cake, dump cake. Try it if you haven't tried it. Butter, dry cake mix, fruit of your choice. I used canned peaches. And so it was really good. I like it. I am definitely taking it camping with me. It gives me another oven to use that's just easy to use for things that are just not, you know, needing a tray necessarily. The manual does say that it is not good for induction stovetops, and that's what I primarily use. It worked perfectly fine on my induction. Do so at your own risk. But the Omnia oven does not work on the induction oven. It made some weird noises, and I was like, nope, not trying it out. So I'm going to try to compare it on a camp stove at some point, so look out for that video at some time. One thing with the dump cake, unlike when I make it in the oven where the top gets nice and crispy, it didn't do that, of course, because what's happening is the steam is just keeping it bubbly on top. It tasted just as good, but it had a lot less cleanup with having this silicone liner. So if you have a little Lidl, you could correct me on which one to pronounce it, near you, and they happen to have these, go ahead and pick one up. Less than $15, and you have a camp oven that you can bake in, that you can just cook in. You can make lasagnas, you can make muffins, you can make cake. It's great that it has the silicone liner in it, so it makes cleanup really, really easy, especially when you're camping, so I don't have to scrub the pan. This worked out really well, and I'm glad I went and got one.